Next up is from Christopher. Honest question. What is the goal of Right to Repair? I have been buying replacement parts and repairing my electronics since I broke an iPhone 3G ages ago. Have I not had the right to repair?
I don't really understand your question.
What?
The goal of Right to Repair is that the ability to repair your device is a right, and more so that your ability to do that, your right to repair it, cannot be impeded by other parties. So the fact that you have been able to get replacement parts for your electronics since you broke your iPhone 3G ages ago is not for their lack of trying to make those replacement parts impossible or inordinately expensive to get. You've been lucky, and you should be thankful to the Right to Repair advocates and crusaders that are out there pushing for this, because without them, no, companies like Apple would absolutely restrict your ability to get any of that stuff. They would want you to come to them for first-party repairs, or they would want to sell you a new device. So Right to Repair is what you're talking about, except it is establishing it as a right. It's establishing that you actually have ownership of the things that you have bought, and that they are, no, not in fact, still the property of the company that produced them. If you do not sort of, if Right to Repair is not a priority for you, or you don't think that it's important, you do not understand it. It really is very black and white. There's not any room for negotiation or nuance on this. The solutions for how we enforce the consumer's right to repair, well, that's where there's room for discussion. But the actual right to repair, to own devices that you pay for, that's not negotiable. And if you disagree, then you're just wrong, unfortunately. And you need to educate yourself, because the people who do disagree will put up all kinds of just, frankly, ridiculous arguments like, well, what if I don't want to? What if I want Apple to repair? Then by all means, go do it. The right for someone else to repair a device themselves does not infringe upon your right to pay someone too much money for them to do it, or even a reasonable amount of money for them to do it. I mean, everyone has different priorities. Not everybody wants to tinker with their stupid phone. I get it. But just because you don't means you need to sit down, shut your mouth, and let everyone else do their thing. That's all. Very simple.